Even if your child doesn't qualify for an IEP, an individualized education program, they won't automatically get a 504 plan. And here's why. Both an IEP and a 504 plan are there to help students with disabilities, but they have different requirements. An IEP is for students who have a specific types of disabilities that affect their ability to learn in typical classrooms. To get an IEP, a child must meet criteria under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. A 504 plan is broader. It's for students who have a disability that impacts a major life activity, which can include learning, but doesn't necessarily require special education. To get a 504 plan, the school must recognize that the child has a disability that substantially limits one or more major life activities, and they need certain supports to learn alongside their peers. So if a child doesn't qualify for an IEP, the next step might be to look at whether they would be eligible for a 504 plan because of a disability that requires certain accommodations in the classroom. This isn't automatic and usually requires a separate evaluation. When we talk about Section 504, we're referring to a specific portion of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, Section 504, which prohibits any program or activity receiving federal funding from discriminating on the basis of having a disability. In the context of education, it entitles eligible students to accommodations and modifications under Section 504 plan in K-12 public schools and other schools that are receiving federal funding. So the ADA is a broad civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in areas of public life, including jobs, schools, transportation, and all public and private places that are open to the general public.